Magandang araw ulit mga bayang classmates. Ellis Chase pong muli para magbigay ng aking karera tips. December 20, 2024, araw tayo ng Biyernes, 1,200 meter races ulit. At mag-uumpisa, race number 1, alas 5 ng hapon. Race number 1 tayo, winner take all, 3-year-old above maiden race. Dito, first race ko, number 2, road safety. Tani Boy Camanyero. Panigundo ko yung numero 1, Music and Magic with Joel Shiego. 2-1, race number 1. Race number 2, start on pick 6, class 5, 11 to 15 split. Dito, first race natin, numero 2, Aliana with Jackie GL Shiego Jr. Panigundo ko naman, numero 8, player Andre with Charles Reyes. 2-8, race number 2. Race number 3, pick 5 naman tayo, class 5, 6 to 10 split. Dito naman, first choice ko, number 4, Crown Jewel with AR Ramos. Second choice, number 6, Lapping Inside with Jomer Estorque. 4-6, race number 3. Race number 4, pick 4 tayo. Class 5-5 split, mga placers naman to. First choice, number 2, Princess Belle with Ryan Garcia. Panigundo ko, number 6, Alap Bambam with JC De La Cruz. 2-6, race number 4. Race number 5 na tayo, huling DD1, class 4, 16 to 21 split. Pampremero, numero 1, Chocolate Thunder. Back to BJ Galleta na. Panigundo ko 5, extra addition with Kelvin Abobo. 1-5, race number 5. Race number 6, penultimate race na po tayo. Class 5, 6 to 10 split. Dito naman, first choice natin, number 6, Smart Julian with AR Ramos. Huwag lang madi-disqualify ulit. Panigundo ko, numero 4, Angels Crown with BJ Galleta. 6-4, race number 6. Race number 7, aling karera na po tayo. Parating na to, class 4, 22 to 27. First choice, number 2, Ginebra with Jonathan Vasco Hernandez. Nag-iisang sakay niya to. Panigundo ko, numero 7, Full Combat Order with Ryan Garcia. 2-7, race number 7. Good luck po. Happy racing, God bless, and mabuhay po kayong lahat.